And here it is. The moment you realize you might be ready for something new, something better. Well, guess what? You can do anything.
Who? Me?
Yes, you. Look, you can get a Master's of Public Health from Michigan and start a nonprofit, pumping goodness and positivity into the world, like some kind of beautiful Pegasus of hope. Or get a new Python certificate from Google and write code so amazing that tech wizards would be like, wow, that's some amazing code. Maybe take some paleobiology courses and spend a little quality time with some dinosaur bones. Whatever you're into, you can do it. Let's rise to our giant goals and fly! See you later, Sheena. We're on to new and better things. With over 5,000 courses and degrees from world-class institutions on Coursera, learn without limits.